Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be talking with you guys and sharing with you guys my tips on how to get thicker hair. Now, hair is something very important nowadays, and I feel like so many people nowadays lose hair or just have hair fall in general. I'm one of those people, honestly, and I can see how much hair is falling off throughout the day or every single day. So these are the little things I do in order to maintain a nice healthy hair. And honestly, I've been noticing some differences whenever I use these steps. So I thought I'm gonna share with you guys my tips and tricks, and hopefully this will be helpful for you guys as well. With no particular order, I'm gonna mention the first tip, and the first tip I would say is to switch up your shampoo and conditioner. Honestly, I feel like this must be the most important tip from all of the other tips, but changing up your shampoo and conditioner makes such a huge difference. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, it was last year, I'm sure it was during lockdown. Was it Pantene or was it Tresemme? One of these two brands, they were basically lawsuit regarding their shampoos and conditioners because it contained really harsh chemicals, and it gave basically lots of people hair fall, and the hair fallout was crazy, and I've seen the videos on TikTok and was going really viral. So I think it was either Pantene or either Tresemme, correct me if I'm wrong, but one of those two brands they were really like under the case regarding the shampoos and conditioners because they have used harsh chemicals. Majority of the shampoos and conditioners contain really harsh chemicals. Now, I'm not like a hair salon expert in something in any way, shape or form, but as far as I know, that all of these shampoos that you find in the drugstores, they're around £5, £6, they're actually not good for your hair. To be honest, the best shampoos and conditioners are more a little bit pricey, not that crazy expensive. Like, it has to be over maybe 10 or 15 pounds depending on the brand, but some of them are also 20 pounds, and also you find good ones as well. Just do your research, but the ones that I really like as a brand is obviously Kerastars. I'm sure I've mentioned so many Kerastars shampoos on my channel here. Redken is another brand that I really like. Pureology is another nice brand, and the one shampoo and conditioner I am testing out at the moment, which is in my shower at the moment, so I didn't bring it out. I'm gonna just insert a picture on the screen. I'm using the thickening shampoo from Vichy, and I'm also using the thickening balm from Vichy as well. And also they have another one which I have with me here, is the stimulating shampoo from Vichy again. This is from the Decos Technique range, and it's like a stimulating, like a clarifying shampoo again for people who want thicker hair. Now, these kind of shampoos contain loads of vitamins such as B5, B3, B6 and B12. Now, they're really high and rich in vitamins and nutrients, which is really great for the hair in general. So your hair needs the nutrients and the vitamins, and these shampoo are full packed on them. And as far as I can see, there's no like really bad chemicals inside the shampoo. These shampoos from Vichy are really popular, and also they're not crazy expensive. They're around £10 or even £12, I believe. So they're really affordable price ranges from Vichy. So I would suggest you guys to go and check this out. So far, I like the shampoo and conditioner, but again, as I'm trying them out at the moment. And also this clarifying shampoo I haven't tried at the moment, but I'm sure this would be great as well because it's from the same range. So highly suggest you guys to go and check this out. The next tip I must say is supplements or vitamins in general. You guys might have known then, or maybe you guys have seen my previous videos that I've done the huge hum vitamins like update videos. To be honest, in terms of the hum vitamins, I really liked it, and I've seen some differences. When I stopped using those, I've seen an increase in hair fall. So I went straight away and I got more vitamins, not from the hum, however I got another vitamin brand, and it is Hair Burst, and it's the chewable hair vitamins. Very nice berry flavor. I'm using it at the moment. I'm halfway through the bottle. So far, so good. Yes, I do have hair fall, but it's not as crazy as before. These vitamins, chewable vitamins, they really work. Like, for me, it really works. Full of biotin, it's got full of zinc, vitamin A, B5, B6, B12, vitamin C, vitamin E. Again, loads of vitamins. Similar with the shampoo, your hair needs vitamins. If you want thicker, fuller, or if you want just the hair growth basically starting. So far I really like it. If you don't want the chewable ones, then get supplements. I think supplements also would work for your hair as well. I personally have not tried them, but I can see by taking these vitamins, I can see my hair growth, my beard, my brows, everything just grows faster, and I can see this type of supplements or vitamins are really good. Not only is good for your hair, it's good for your nails. I can see a dramatic like growth on my nails. I don't have any nail problems, but in general my nails are growing faster than ever. And also my skin is in perfect condition. I'm not wearing anything except moisturizer, so my skin is in really good condition thanks to these vitamins or supplements. Might be different supplements out there as well, and also there are supplements for hair, skin and nails and stuff like that. So definitely do your research and get the correct supplements for you. And again, I'm not suggesting anything else because I haven't tried it personally, and again, I'm not like a dermatologist or like a doctor, so it's also, you have to be in mind that these kind of things are also affecting your health, so bear that in mind. So I'm just giving you suggestions or the brands that I've already tried for me personally. The next tip, I think it's like a common sense tip, is the food intake that you take inside your body. Food intake is very important. Again, have the kind of fruits, the vegetables that contains the vitamins, the right amount of protein that your hair needs. Protein is another huge factor for your hair growth, or if you want thicker hair. Greek yogurt is quite good, walnuts is quite good, almonds, any type of nuts which are rich on fibers, rich on like oils, and also rich on protein are really good. And also avocado is quite good, eggs, fish, salmon, spinach, the list goes on and on. If you do your Google research, you will see the list is quite huge, and it's all this good food that you need to intake inside your body daily in order to see a difference. If you have some, then stop it. If you have some to stop it, it's okay, but at least try to have it at least once a day in terms of this list in order to get hair growth or thicker hair, because I have seen a difference. I've started eating Greek yogurt in the mornings, regular fish, regular salmon, spinach in my salad. Never used to have spinach in my salad, but now I have spinach in my salad, and again, it really helps, and I can see it. And also, not only it helps for my hair, my skin is also feeling amazing, and also your overall well-being is also affected as well with the food intake. So definitely do that. Moving on with the fourth tip, I must say, is oils. Now, if you think about it, sometimes oils could be hit and miss, because if you have loads of like, and oils, I mean the natural oils such as almond oil, rose oil, castor oil, black seed oil, what else oils do we have? Coconut oil, and some more. If you put them on your hair and leave it on over the night and then wash it off, it's really great, because you give your hair a nice like moisture, and also you help the scalp as well in order to make it nice and moist. And also the oils are really good because they're raw natural ingredients. So raw natural ingredients are really good for your scalp in order for a nice hair growth. I have some oils in here. Basically, I was using almond oils in the past, which is okay, didn't help a lot for me personally. At the moment I'm using this, it's coconut oil. I've decanted it in a nice small decanter that I got from Amazon. I'm sorry, it's a bit oily and a bit dirty, so this is really good. I love coconut oil, I love the smell of it, it really helps. What I do with the coconut oil, I use it once a week, usually on a Sunday, leave it on for a good couple of hours or throughout the whole day. In the morning I like to apply it and then wash it off in the evening to give my scalp a nice moisture. And when I wash it off, my hair feels super silky smooth and just nice and nourished. And I can see how my hair loves it because it's a nice natural ingredient. There's no harsh chemicals, it's just pure oil. It's like 100% raw virgin coconut oil, I believe, which I have in here. And also there are different type of oils that you can use for your hair, as I said. And another thing I want to show you for you guys is another oil that I'm using, and it is from The Ordinary. It's The Ordinary Hair Care Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density. It's a concentrated serum for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller and healthier. I have been using this every single evening. I still have maybe this much left, and I haven't done a full review at the moment yet because I haven't finished the bottle. I want to really finish it off and do like a proper full review later on in a future video. So far I like it. I mean, my hair's not falling out. My hair, I don't know if it feels thicker, but in terms of the hair fallout, it does help. Hasn't got any funky smell or anything. You're supposed to use it over the night. So let me see. Apply a few drops as needed on a daily. Ideally overnight. Is clean, dry scalp massage until scalp truly. This formula is a leave-in treatment. Do not wash hair or scalp after application. So yeah, I've been using this for quite a long time now. I've been on and off this product, but so far I do like it. Helps with hair density. Again, oils like this are really good. And also in terms of the coconut oil, if you use it, try to massage your scalp. I cannot say this enough. Massage your scalp, because I have read an article or thing regarding massaging the scalp that it really helps to stimulate the blood cells inside your head to make the blood flow. Once the blood flows through, then the hair starts to grow. So this is a tip. So definitely massage your scalp. Even if you don't use an oil, massage it on a daily basis. I like to massage my scalp in the evenings. Really like to massage the front, the back, and really give the scalp a nice massage with my fingers, even like a nice dry massage. Why not? Or if you use the oil, use the oil and then massage your scalp in order to make the blood flow through. So definitely check out the oils, and also definitely check out the Ordinary oil. Really like it so far. This I got from TikTok. TikTok really convinced me to buy this. This was really wild on there, so I thought to myself, let me just try it and see what is the hype about. And the last tip I want to share with you guys is to stop using hot tools. And in terms of hot tools, I mean all the hair technology, all the hair electronic, that's the word, electronic devices, such as hair dryers, obviously is the main thing, straighteners, like curling ones, and all the other things which is electronic devices for your hair that requires heat. Heat is honestly something really bad for your hair because it really dries up the scalp. If you want thicker hair, the main thing they need to focus is on your scalp. If you put on the heat on your scalp, you just dry out the scalp and it just makes things worse. Whenever my barber used to blow dry my hair, I was like, don't blow dry my hair because I don't like it. I used to blow dry my hair every single day as well in order to make my hair nice and smooth and nice and straight, but now I stopped it because it's just not great for your hair or for your hair scalp in general. So if you're blow drying your hair, please stop it. Do it maybe once a week, but on a daily basis it's not great for your hair because you're just drying out your scalp. Yes, there are heat protection sprays, which actually I'm gonna show you. This one here, this is quite good actually. This is the Aveda Thickening Tonic, instantly thickens for fuller style. I've been using this for a long time and I'm more than half this way through it, and honestly this stuff is really great. If you are blow drying, if you have very thin hair, and if you want a thicker, fuller effect, spray this on, then blow dry. This is also like a, how would I say it, like a heat protection spray as well, so it works out the same, and it's also a thickening spray, which is so lovely. I like the smell of this. It smells like lavender or rosemary, very lovely scent. And Aveda hair care products are really great in general. So also Aveda does amazing shampoos and conditioners, so bear that in mind. Have not tried it for me personally, but I've seen reviews that their shampoo and conditioners, especially from this range, the thickening range, is quite good. So I'm gonna try that maybe next. And you guys, I feel like these were all the tips I wanted to share with you guys in order to get thicker, fuller hair, or just a nice hair growth in general. Bear in mind that these tips obviously require some time, so please be patient. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm not like a hairstylist or like a hair expert or like a dermatologist in terms of hair, skin and nails and vitamins and stuff like that. These are all the things that I personally have used, personally tried, that works for me, and I wanted to share with you guys as well. So I hope you guys found this video all informative and helpful. So if you didn't, please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos like these. Thanks so much for watching everyone. Until next time, I will see you in my next one.